Want to make money creating custom art, even if you're not an artist? Meet Emma. She always loved unique artwork and fun edits, like turning pets into cartoon characters or people into fantasy heroes. But she couldn't draw and had no idea how to start an art business. Then Emma discovered OpenAI's upgraded image tool, powered by the new GPT-4o model. This powerful upgrade lets ChatGPT easily generate more realistic, detailed images than ever before. The new update even makes text-based designs, like quotes and slogans, look clean and professional. Now, Emma offers creative services like Giblify Your Pet, custom fantasy portraits, or fun cyberpunk yourself edits. With just simple prompts, ChatGPT helps Emma quickly create amazing, personalized art her customers love. She lists her custom art gigs on Fiverr, Etsy, and Instagram. Within days, people started messaging her, excited to buy their own custom edits. Emma couldn't believe it. She was making real money, simply using AI-generated designs. No drawing skills needed. Ready to turn your ideas into cash like Emma? With OpenAI's GPT-4o image generation, anyone can create stunning custom art and edits. Subscribe now to learn more, because the art is AI, but the money you make is real.